Banana bread reminds me of home, soft, sweet, and so comforting. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I had these 6 bananas lying around. Instead of wasting them, I decided to turn them into something special. I started by mashing my bananas. I used my yam pounder. If you don't have yam pounder, you can use your fork to mash it, or use anything you can use to just mash it together until smooth. The riper the bananas, the sweeter and softer your bread will turn out, trust me. Next, I added my sugar, oil, egg, and vanilla flavor. Please, all the measurements will be on my description box. Mix properly and go in with your dry ingredients. After adding all your dry ingredients, gently mix everything together. I went in with my banana flavor because I wanted the flavor to be intense, but you can skip this, it's optional, totally optional. At this point, you can add your chocolate chips or not, if you like any little crunch, but if you don't have, you can actually bake it like this. After mixing everything, set your batter aside. Go ahead and grease your pan to avoid the cake sticking to it so it can come out smoothly. fancy with my toppings, but like I said, if you don't have anything, you can just bake it like that. Trust me, it will be nice. And there it is, soft moist banana bread straight from the heart. If you love simple homemade recipes like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more from Marah's Kitchen. Thank you.